Hello designer, welcome to 3D design. Today I will create this simple design as per dimension showing. So this is the length 190, this is the width 50. Okay, just draw the length and width, then we draw the slot. Okay, go to Solidworks, new document, part. Okay, go to top plane, sketch, go to rectangle, go to center line or midline, draw from origin one midline, select OK. The construction, okay. Dimension, length 190. Okay, go to one solid for the enter from here to here. Okay, see the size, this is 50. Okay, 50. Okay, from here to here is 50. 50. This arc center to here. Actually, okay. This is the 25. This point to this point. Okay. This dimension, this point and this point. 25. Go to rectangle, corner rectangle from here to here. Okay. Look the midpoint and this point. Consider. Okay. It's construction geometry. Okay. Go to slot again, center slot from here to here. Okay, select. Okay, this is the 10, radius 10. Okay, go to smart dimension and the arc radius 10. Right. Okay, this arc and this arc make concentric. Okay. This drawing fully defined. 119.50. Okay, the center slot 10. Okay, from this point to that point 25. Base case is fully different. Now go to feature, extrude boss. This is the one. Mid plane 10, I think. This is 10, this is 35. Mid plane 10. Okay. Okay. Go again, sketch, the base sketch and extrude boss base. This is 35. Mid plane 35. 35. Okay. This lower portion design is finished. Okay. Now we will go upward portion. Okay. See, this is the from this face to that face 8 mm. Okay. And this is the thickness with 10 mm. Okay. The outer circle 50, the inner circle 25. Okay. This wood also 30. Let's go start to this sketch. go to template, sketch, normal. Now first we go one rectangle. Corner rectangle from here to here. Okay. Go to smooth dimension, this one and this one, 8. Okay. Take another rectangle from corner rectangle from here to here. Then 2 circles, one this here and this here. Okay. Go to small dimension. This is the 50 out there, and this one also 25. Okay. Now I need this portion and this portion, right? So this and this make tangent. This and this make tangent. Okay. Now this one, this and this and this, click and delete. Okay. Now this be here and also here. Okay. 55.5 from this face and this whole center and circle center. Okay. 55.5. Go to small dimension from this face and this 55.5. Okay. Put here. This put here. Okay. This one we will just put one side for only define. Go to small dimension and from this and this 3 mm. Okay. Same entities. Cut here. Okay. So the 50. This is 25. This is 5.5. This is 8. Okay, this is already fully defined. See the dimension here. It is 18. Okay. Go to fillet 18. 18. This corner. Okay. Our sketch is fully defined and finish sketch. Now go to future, extrude boss. This is the one. See the thickness with 10 and 30. The 10. Make plane. Okay. Okay. Go to again, select the sketch and extrude boss. This is the one, 30. Make plane. Okay. This is our design. The picture completed. Okay. If you need to make same color, you can do it.
And that's all for tutorial guy. I hope you like. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit this bell icon for more video.